Are you ready to elevate your high heel game without the pain? With just a few tweaks, you can transform those stunning heels into not only comfortable but also more stylish options for everyday wear. Slipping into your favorite heels without the dread of aching feet is possible with these hacks. Let's face it, high heels have a popular reputation for being the ultimate beauty pain, literally. They're the cherry on top of any outfit but can be a nightmare to walk in after just an hour. That pain in the ball of your foot, the tightness around your toes, and the unbearable soreness by the end of the day? I have been there. Say goodbye to the days of carrying flats in your bag or secretly slipping off your shoes under the dinner table. Preparing for a big event is like crafting a masterpiece, every detail counts. Take for instance, the art of breaking in heels. It's not just about comfort, it's about ensuring you cruise through the night with elegance and grace. Did you know that the secret lies in the gentle dance between your feet and the shoes? By expanding those heels with a pair of thick socks, you're not just stretching the material. You're molding a perfect fit, sparing yourself from the agony of blisters and discomfort. Have you experienced pressure on the ball of your foot before? This pain in the ball of your foot can transform your night of glamour into a marathon of discomfort. High heels without proper insoles can lead to increased pressure on the ball of the foot, causing discomfort and potential pain. You need to understand that not all high heels come with padded soles, but that doesn't mean you have to suffer. Investing in quality insoles designed for high heels not only provides extra cushion but also distributes your weight more evenly across your foot, reducing pressure on the ball of your foot. Another thing is that selecting the perfect heel height and style can transform your high heel experience from a nightmare into a dream. It's a world where not all heels are created equal. For example, a platform delicately nestled under the front of your shoe, magically transforming that towering 4-inch heel into a comfortable 3-inch masterpiece. It's like finding the perfect balance between height and harmony. But wait, there's more. Ankle straps and wider bases, high heels are more comfortable. With their added support and stability, they're the wise choice for those busy days and nights when you need your feet to keep up with your ambitions. Have you heard of this little-known trick? What if I told you that taping your third and fourth toes together could be a game-changer? Consider this: by simply taping these toes, you can alleviate pressure on a nerve that runs through them, ultimately reducing pain significantly. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of stretching and strengthening exercises for your feet. Simple routines can increase flexibility, improve blood circulation, and help you endure longer periods in heels without the agony. Thank you for watching.